Today's video is showing you how to roll up a 30 by 60 one-piece top. It is a big top. It won't fit back in the bag unless you do it nice and tight. So I'll show you the best way. Most manufacturers even suggest doing it this way. But first, let me show you one of the employees sleeping in the truck real awkwardly. Okay, so this is a 30 by 60 one-piece top. You take one end, fold it into the middle. Then you take the next, keep it tight, and fold. And then one more fold. And then you just make sure that it's all kind of in there because the peaks kind of stick out sometimes when you fold them. Then you take the other side and bring it to the middle as well. And then a second time. And a third time. We actually got in the middle to do it because the peak was sticking out. Then after the third fold, you flip the whole thing over itself. And this is a really warm day, so the tent is real pliable, so we didn't have to walk all over it to get the air out or flatten it down. Then we take the skinny end and fold it over to about 3 to 4 feet before the end, not exactly. And then this is a big tent. It takes 2 people to roll. So we just roll it up, we spin it so that it stays on the tarp, and then we use 2 pieces of cardboard and a ratchet to keep it tight. 2 pieces of cardboard go under the ratchet part and under the hook part so you don't rip up the tent. We pull the tent towards one guy, put the ratchet under, and then the other guy pulls it towards him. We grab the ratchet, put the cardboard down, and tighten it up so that it stays together so that we can put it in the bag easy. And this bag is an aftermarket bag. I bought most manufacturer bags fit when they roll it up in the factory, but on site it's a lot of times hard to put back in the bag. So we bought an aftermarket bag. It's written with permanent marker all over it, 30 by 60, so we know what it's for. And then we just flip it back onto the cart, lift up the bag and tie it. We twist it and then tie it so it doesn't open up. And then we just take it out to the truck. And while we're doing this, you see everyone's not just watching us. They're doing other stuff. They're folding up the tarps that we're not on. All my employees are really good at doing things while other people are doing things. And this here is just showing you that we have a bag for ratchets marked 30 by 60 and all the ratchet heads go in this. Okay, so that bag you just saw with the 30 by 60 label on it and all the ratchet heads in there, we keep the long part of the ratchet that doesn't have the metal actual ratchet part on it attached to the tent at all times. Unless it's being washed, then we take them off. But for the whole season, there's on there. And then we just take the actual ratchet part off, roll it up, and put it in a bag. If we had to take them off each time, it'd probably take 2 or 3 bags to hold all those ratchets. And I don't want to remember 2 or 3 bags. I just want to remember 1. So the ratchet bag stays with the tent when it's in the warehouse. And then when we set the tent up, we tie the ratchet bag to the tent bag so they're always together, so you don't have to go searching for it in the warehouse when you're going to go pick it back up. That just saves us a lot of time. I feel like I know larger companies can't really do this. They have just a big bin of ratchets, but I'd say medium-sized companies like me can have ratchets set with each tent and keep the long part on their 30 wide tents. So that's what we do to save on time. It seems to work for us. Thanks for watching.